Hello guys, welcome to the Altruist IELTS. I am Janvi and today we are going to learn vocabulary as known as lexical resources related to crime and law. It is the episode number 19 and you can check our previous episodes on our channel. In the last episodes we have covered three words. Attorney, it is a countable noun, and in the United States an attorney or attorney at law is a lawyer. The second word was ministry. It is a countable noun, and in Britain and some other countries, a ministry is a government department which deals with a particular thing or area of activity, for example, trade, defense, or transport. The third word was racism. It is an uncountable noun, and racism is the belief that people of some races are inferior to others and the behavior which is the result of this belief. Racism also refers to the aspects of a society which prevent people of some races or groups from having the same privileges and opportunities as people from other races. Now, before moving to our today's words, I want to announce that if you want your essays or letters to be evaluated by a professional, you can join our Facebook group, and the link is then in the description box, so don't forget to check it. Now let's move to our first word. It is conviction, and the meaning of countable noun is a strong belief or opinion, and the meaning of uncountable noun is if you have a conviction, you have great confidence in your beliefs and opinions. Let's go for the synonyms: belief, view, opinion, principle. Let's look at the example. It is our firm conviction that a step forward has been taken. Let's go for the collocations: quash conviction, carry conviction, religious conviction, previous conviction, against conviction, conviction for. Let's go for the other things. The plural is convictions and convict. The second word is not anarchy but is anarchy. It is an uncountable noun, and if you describe a situation as anarchy, you mean that nobody seems to be paying any attention to rules or laws. Let's go for the synonyms: lawlessness, revolution, riot, disorder. Let's look at the example. It was a time of political anarchy. Let's look at the collocations: into anarchy. And the other things, the plural is anarchies. Let's look at the third word. It is menace. It is a countable noun, and if you say that someone or something is menace to other people or things, you mean that the person or thing is likely to cause serious harm. Menace, it is the synonyms could be danger, risk, threat, hazard. The example is: in my view, you are a menace to the public. Let's go for the collocations: menace to, with, menace. And let's look at the other things. The meaning of uncountable noun is a quality or atmosphere that gives you the feeling that you are in danger or that someone wants to harm you. There is a pervading sense of menace. The synonyms are threat, warning. In the next video, we will cover the word leveler, cruel, obliged, and many more. Until then, like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to check in the description box. Thank you so much.